Story. Well, protests in Bihar over alleged irregularities in the Bihar State Civil Services examination continue, fueled by claims of question paper leaks and late distribution. They're therefore demanding a complete cancellation of the examination and a re-examination as well.
That's right. So BPSC aspirants that have been carrying on that protest now for 10 days in demand of that re-examination. Yesterday they held that protest in Patna's Gandhi Maidan, demanding a re-examination to be held for the 70th BPSC preliminaries. And this is the Bihar Public Service Commission that had ruled out a statewide retest for that 70th combined competitive preliminary examination, citing a lack of evidence or grounds for such a decision to be taken without.
Absolutely, and those dramatic pictures there, the big standoff between police and those civil services aspirants, and their protests are likely to continue. Let's quickly listen into what the police had to say.
हम स्वयं जो है माइकिंग कर रहे थे, हमने बार बार उनको बोला कि आपके प्रतिनिधि हमारे समक्ष नहीं आ रहे हैं, और जो भी इन लोगों को यहाँ तक मार्च करवाने के लिए लेकर आए थे वो इनका जो है छोड़ चुके हैं। उनको यहाँ छोड़कर वो निकले यहाँ से। उसके बाद भी हमने बोला कि आप जो है आपकी जो भी मांगे हैं वो हमारे समक्ष रखिए, वार्तालाप के लिए हम लोग तैयार हैं, लेकिन वो यहाँ जमे रहे, अपनी हट पे अड़े रहे। बार बार अनुरोध करने के बाद भी धक्का मुक्की जो है अभ्यर्थियों द्वारा या जो भी उसमें लोग थे उनके द्वारा की गई, प्रशासन के साथ, हम लोगों के साथ, स्वयं हमारे साथ जो है धक्का मुक्की की गई। फिर भी हम लोग जो है अभ्यर्थियों के साथ खड़े थे, उनको समझा रहे थे। आखिरी में जो है मजबूर होकर हम लोगों के द्वारा वाटर कैनन का यूज किया गया। उसमें भी हमने स्वयं बीच में आकर जो है लोगों को उठाया गया, परंतु वो लोग जो है नहीं हटे। अब जो है हम इसको खाली करवा दें।
आज बड़ी पीड़ा हुई जिस प्रकार से पुलिस ने 70वें बीपीएससी परीक्षा के जितने भी हमारे साथी थे, अभ्यर्थी थे, जिस प्रकार से उनको पीटा गया, लाठी चार्ज कराया गया, कई लोगों जो हैं बुरी तरीके से घायल हैं, पानी का बौछार किया गया इस ठंड के माहौल में, इसकी हम कड़ी निंदा करते हैं और खेद प्रकट करते हैं। सभी जितने हमारे अभ्यर्थी हैं, मैं उन सभी लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं कि तेजस्वी यादव आपके साथ खड़ा है, मजबूती के साथ।
And we have our colleague Prabhakar joining us to get us more on this. Prabhakar, the All India Students Association has called for that chakka jam today in order to protest against the use of force that we saw yesterday of the police on the students.
Yeah, exactly. The Chakka Jam has been called by the Left Students Union, and also the case has been registered against 21 named accused, which includes Prashant Kishore. So this is a very important, significant development in this particular case. Prashant Kishore has been named one of the main accused, along with 700 unnamed accused in this particular case. So yesterday, late evening, the district administration lodged a case for not only instigating the mob on the streets of Patna, but also organizing this kind of protest in a place which was banned, and the permission was denied by the administration. Remember, this is the 12th day. Today happens to be the 12th day of this entire BPSC protest. The students were there at the Dharna roundabout, which is in the Gardani Bagh area. But it was actually the Prashant Kishore and his party which organized this at Gandhi Maidan, and later this protest march was organized, a march to Chief Minister House, where this entire incident happened, the water cannon and then the lathi charge happened. So Prashant Kishore has been named one of the main accused. The students, as far as their strategy today is concerned, they have the Chakka Jam, which they'll try to enforce in the entire Bihar rather, and also they will be continuing with the dharna at Gardani Bagh. That is what we have been told.
All right, Prabhakar, thanks very much for joining us with the latest there. So, as Prabhakar is reporting, the Chakka Jam has been called. That standoff between the state and the students is only set to intensify. Absolute dramatic pictures there, water cannon, lathi charge, all being used, deployed as the students take to the streets.